first person, second person, and third person may seem to be merely technical terms in English grammar, but they also evoke the drama of everyday life. Hi, this is Thomas from Cozy Grammar, and the word person comes from the Latin word persona, which originally meant mask, and more specifically, the mask that an actor in the classical world would wear when performing a drama. So to speak of first person, second person, and third person is to evoke the world of the theater, and to enter the drama of everyday life and the power of our voices to connect us together. As the first person, I speak for myself, but to have the impulse to speak, it helps to have someone to speak to. Hence, the second person, you. Because you are there listening to me, I have a reason to speak. And as you and I speak, we might want to add a third person for us to speak about. Like my friend, the Scarecrow, Ms. Molly McGillicuddy. She, to use the third person singular, expands our little dialogue into a much larger drama that can reach out to encompass the entire world. Anything we can point to with words. What gets you excited about grammar and words? Feel free to share your experience with us in a comment or through our website, cozygrammar.com. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. And so will she, Ms. Molly McGillicuddy.